everyone. Welcome to Virtuous Eunice's Kitchen. Today, I'm going to show you how I make plantain cake. Back home in Africa, plantain cake is one of our favorite snacks. So guys, let's get started. Okay, in this container I have 2 onions, I have my sweet pepper, and I'm going to have some hot pepper, and I also have mackerel. Okay, back home we don't need mackerel or fish. Yeah, okay, I'm just adding mackerel into it. Okay, and this is my plantain, guys. So I'm going to start peeling my plantain. Okay, guys, what I do, I make some of this snack, freeze them for lunch or dinner. Sometimes you don't want to eat rice all the time. So what I do, I make them, keep them in my freezer. Whenever I want them, just take them out, put in your oven or put in your microwave, and you snack. Okay. In my last video, I make banana, green banana. Okay, but in this video, I'm going to use the plantain is not that ripe. Okay. Back home, we call it afena frep. Okay, guys, I'm going to continue this process until I get everything done. Okay. Hot pepper. Okay, I got it from the freezer, so I'm just going to wash it and add to it. You put pepper of your taste. Okay, some people eat so much pepper, some do not. Guys, I remember when I did the banana cake, I used all-purpose flour for the base to get it together. Okay, in this video, I'm going to use oatmeal. Okay, I already blend it into flour. Okay, so for health-wise, I'm going to use oatmeal. Okay, get the plantain together. And I'm going to put some of my seasoning. Okay, this is like 1 teaspoon. You put to your taste. Okay. Now I'm going to open my mackerel. Okay. I'm going to pour out the water. Okay. To try this at home for lunch, or for breakfast, or for dinner, whatever. Just want to get your cold drink of your choice. I'm glad you are responding to my video today. Guys, it looks so good, smells good. Put a little bit of salt. You can put as much as you want because you don't want your plantain to scatter when frying it, okay? Plantain cake, okay? Make sure you always have water by your side. Then your hands are clean, okay? Okay, I already have my vegetable oil, okay? Wash your hands. Flip it over. Flip it over. Careful. Please don't touch it. I'm virtuous Eunice. My hands can handle heat, but I don't want you to get yourself burnt. You don't flip until you make sure it's fried at the bottom, okay? Fine. Can't wait. Okay guys, I'm going to continue the process until I get everything done. Make sure you put paper towel or parchment paper so that it can absorb the excess oil. Okay, I feel that if you want to bake it, you can still bake it. especially if you want to avoid the oil. Okay, so after frying like this, we cannot eat it and finish it in one day. So I'm going to put them in Ziplocs and freeze them. Okay, then whenever I want, I put them in the microwave or in the new wave. Okay, so I'm going to continue the process until I get everything done. Okay, so much. Okay guys, this is the last one. Guys, I wish I can just send you some so that you can munch and have more zeal to share the video. Hey guys, do you see what I'm seeing? We've come to the end of this plantain cake. It's so early. So guys, help me share, like, comment, hit the notification bell, and let's join together in this YouTube channel. I love you so much, and as you watch my video, as you share it to others, may the Lord bless you, may the Lord prosper you. And one thing I can tell you, if you are from another country, I'm from West Africa, Sierra Leone. If you are from other country, if you want to reach out to me and join me so that we can make one of your food, maybe in Jamaica or in Erie or whatever, Ghana, I'm open so that we can